This 2019 Newmar New Aire 3343 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Shadow Decor, Carmel Glazed Cherry Cabinetry interior, Sleeps 2, smoke detector, slideout, leveling jacks, self-contained, TV antenna, air conditioning, awning, external shower, stove-top burner, TV, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2019 Newmar New Aire 3343 is built on a Freightliner XC chassis and is powered by a Cummins 6.7L 360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.